Hey everyone, how's it going? I always say the same thing when I start them, like, hey, hello. Anyways, what else am I gonna say? Hi, how are you all? It's Dione Irwin here again. It's just doing the live videos back to back. What do you think about that? May as well just do them all in one day. So, I am in Reunion right now. Hi Jenny, thank you for joining. I'm in Reunion. I'm on a Reunion Green right now. Beautiful street in Airdrie in the northwest corner. Tyler, hey! Oh my goodness, this home is so beautiful. I love it. I've been in this house a few times over the past few years. They haven't been ready to sell until now. And so here I am. Here I am today in this house, and I've always loved it so much. These guys have done an amazing job. They built this house. So they built it, they picked such gorgeous upgrades and amazing things. They've done so many things to this house. I love it. It's a really good price too. So it's Dione Irwin here with the Dione Irwin Real Estate Team, RE/MAX House of Real Estate, in case you don't know. That's me. I've got an awesome real estate team. Couldn't do this by myself. I like to make sure everybody knows that. It's not just Dione, it's the team. So, I'm gonna give you a tour of this house. It's a beautiful day here in Airdrie. How are you guys doing? What is it like where you're at? Where are you joining in from? Are you in Airdrie, you guys? Give me a smiley face if you're in Airdrie. Smiley face emoji if you're in Airdrie. I'm just gonna let you kind of see the house a little bit in the background. It's got a really cool beachy feel. It's kind of like beachy. And it's on a green space too. I love this layout. I've sold this layout many times. It's a Sable home. Look at that kitchen. Isn't that amazing? White kitchen, gas, cooktop. Ooh, we have an Airdrie person. Woohoo! We love Airdrie. I live in Airdrie. I love Airdrie. So these guys did so many upgrades. Look at the light fixtures. Look at the stone behind me. What do you think about that? Green space, we can walk to school. We have the pond here. We have pathways. We've got so many great things. It's such a great community. Great people live in all of Airdrie, but especially in Reunion. No, I'm just kidding to all the rest of you. You're all awesome too. But it's a really great family street and really vibe on this street. And you're right across the street from the pond, but you also have the green space behind. So you got the best of both worlds. You can just go out your front door or your back door and there's a path. There's a path or a pond or a park or something. So who wants to see this? Can I get some hearts? I know somebody's gonna send me some hearts. Let's see some hearts. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you have somebody looking for a home, you can tag them, share this video, start a watch party. I would love that. That would be amazing. Hearts. Thank you for the hearts. Okay, you ready to see it? Should we start at the front of the house? I believe we should. This is an amazing, amazing house. Can't wait to show it to you guys. There's so many upgrades, I hope I don't forget any. But I will do my very best, as I always do. I always do my best. Okay. Oh, look at, there's a little robin right there on the lawn. Hello, robin. Okay. This is funny because all the neighbors like to watch, like, what is Dione Irwin doing now? Okay, here is the street. So see what I mean about... So right across there's the pond. And, okay, this is coming soon. So it's gonna be a few days before this is on the market, but I wanna get you guys a chance to see this. Look at the house. Oh, it's so bright up there, I can't even. So here's the house. Okay, really well maintained. The trim is looking good. Everything. Okay, so let's go up and check it out. It's about 2450 square feet. We had it measured and photographed and floor planned. And the door, I love this door. It's very tall and it's quite a grand door. So it's really tall. I don't know exactly how tall it is. Yes, it has a west backyard. Tyler's on here helping me out. Thank you. So you come in and this is our happy place right here. See, it says so right there. So just so you know, this is our happy place. They've got it with like all their, you know, storage and boot racks, but you could do a really cool bench here. I've staged this before and I'd put a bench and a little table with a lamp. You could do so much with this entry because it also has got a walk-in closet, you guys, and garage right here. Okay, so the garage is a bit oversized. We're gonna get the measures on it today. This floor, who loves this floor? This is the top upgrade you can get for the builder. I guess the basic one was a level 3 and this was a level 13 upgrade. So very upgraded. And powder room. I always think this is such a nice toilet. I don't know if anybody else notices toilets, but that is a nice toilet. Okay, so main floor den right here. Or it can be a bedroom because it is also got a closet. So it could technically be a bedroom. Most people may use it as a den, but it's a main floor bedroom den. Okay, hello kitty. There's the kitty staring at me. Okay, check this out. So here's the kitchen. The backsplash is so gorgeous. It's kind of the glass mosaic and the white quartz. Stainless steel appliances. So much room here for the island seating. Okay. What do you guys think? Do you love it? So I'm at 274 Reunion Green. Did I say that? 274 Reunion Green. This home is pretty out of this world. They've just done some nice off-white paint. You can do whatever you want. It's fresh and airy in here. So nice. And a lot of windows. Blinds are included. It backs onto the Greenspace. We'll go outside in a second. Okay, large dining area. So many pot and pan drawers in this kitchen. Really nice wall oven, KitchenAid, gas stove, gas range. We got the cool things like spice pullouts. And in all of the cupboards, they have done these really nice drawers. See? All the cupboards. But there's also a lot of drawers, but every cupboard has a drawer in it, which I think is very wonderful because to me, plain old drawer or door is a bit annoying. So they took care of that. Okay? Let's take a look at this gorgeous west backyard. Okay. Oh, it's a little windy today. We have got a sitting area up here. Lots of grass space. And look at that area down there. They've got this will stay. It's kind of like a private dining area out there. Walking path, gardens. So sunny. And they have told me that you can see the northern lights really well if you just look over there to the north. They're really, really easy to see. Oh, don't get out, kitty. Sometimes I have little friends that stay in the house with me. And this is my little ginger friend. We stick together. We're bros. Me and this cat. Okay, let's go upstairs. They got brand new carpet on the stairs. It's very nice carpet. Really soft. See, they've even got the cool sconces up in the stairwell. Extra, these windows. There's 3 windows here, which is an upgrade as well from going just the one big one. They did 3. So nice. Okay, same floor up here. They carried it upstairs. So there's not very much carpet in this house. Bonus room. Okay, a lot of room for your media entertainment system. And then we have some bedrooms up here. So bedroom number 1 is huge. Look at how pretty this room is. I love it. Okay, bedroom number 1. Here's bedroom number 2. Also a very large bedroom. Room for desks, beds, everything. Upper laundry. take a peek at this. We've got cabinets as well up here. Cabinets beside. More storage. You can never get enough. And the upper full bath, we have the same quartz here. Very large. Okay, now this part is pretty fantastic. It's the whole end of the house is the master suite. So, what should I show you first? There's just so many good things. It's vaulted. It's got a gorgeous light fixture. It's like a very neat shaped ceiling. A lot of windows, but there's also the blinds. This house has AC and it's dual zone. There's 2 thermostats. Okay, that is a huge king size bed. It fits perfectly there. Dressers can fit. But really, you don't really need dressers, maybe, because look at the size of the closet. It is so huge. Look at that, right? Natural lighting everywhere in this house. James, I didn't see you. Hello, James McDonald. How are you doing? I'm just checking out some comments here. Who loves this house? I love this house. I love all the houses, but this one feels very fresh. Okay, double sinks, huge soaker with the special handheld thing. That's an upgrade. Potty room, and then look at this shower. It's definitely the 10 mil glass. It's the thick glass. And I might say this glass is spotless. Good job, you guys. Good job. Hey, it is a beautiful house, James. It reminds me of California, to be honest. It actually does. Okay, let's just go. Okay, the basement's unfinished. Well, it's partly finished, so I'm going to show it to you. They've set it up so cool, even though it's not fully finished. I don't usually show it, but I'm going to show it to you because they use it so much, and it's not even done yet. But okay, let's flip this around. Okay, so you can see so it's just the ceiling and the floor basically not done, but they've done all the drywall in the stairwell. Okay. Smile. I will smile. I am smiling. You just can't see me right now. James is telling me to smile. Okay. Send me some hearts, you guys. I love the hearts. Okay, so look how they have it down here. So the walls are all professionally finished, beautifully done. They've got a gym. They got a really cool office space. It's a 9-foot ceiling, so it's really nice in here. You could totally have this. It's just a giant basement. A whole craft area. Another TV spot. They've got gigantic hot water tanks, water softener. Oh, are you back? Did you lose me for a second? Did I lose you for a second? I don't know. Anyways, the basement is awesome. It's 9-foot ceilings. It's set up, it's partly finished. So they've done some cool things and it's really great setup. So you could use it if you don't want to finish it right now. It's very usable actually for extra space. So anyways, 274 Reunion Green in Airdrie. That's where I am now. I've been busy running around doing videos today. So the price of this house is $24.50 square feet. Am I frozen now or can you see me? James said I was frozen. That's scary. Is it frozen on my face on a weird, frame? Can you guys hear me? I'm gonna stop talking if you can't hear me. I'm not gonna tell you the price if you can't hear me anymore. Okay, nobody's answering me. Let's just tell you the price anyways, because you can watch it later. So the price is $599 of this beautiful home. And it's coming soon in a few days. So if you want to see it, you know what you got to do. You have to message me and we'll get you in. We will get you in if you want to see it. because I think you're not going to want to miss this one. It's probably going to sell fast because it's so awesome. And okay, the other thing they're doing, their thing is ringing and my hair is crazy. Oh, it's just going crazy, you guys. Anyways, they're including their security cameras as well. They wanted me to say that, so that's included. Anyways, $5.99. Message me, contact me. We will get you in here in a couple days. We'll watch my Facebook and Instagram for the professional photos. And I hope to hear from you soon. And thank you for watching, everybody that joined in. It's been great hanging out with you today. I'm going to go see my kids now, okay? Have a great day. Bye.